at how you work it, baby. Hey, ooh, girl, I love the way that you be poking it out. Girl, give me something to feel love. So please believe we gon' be talking it out by the end of the night, babe. To wrap my hands around your waist and kiss your lips. Wouldn't trade this feeling for nothing. And now sit here, long as it takes to get you